Greetings, I'm Norman. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck back on someone. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead, let that energy fly. Let's see what y'all got going zone. Clear, accurate messages only. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What is it that we need to know? Please, Spirit. Let's anchor in this reading. Millionaire. At the bottom of the deck. Oh, shoot. At the bottom of the deck, I don't want to see it. Married. Somebody could be married to a millionaire, getting married to a millionaire. Millionaire is definitely anchoring this reading for y'all. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Please, Spirit, with this millionaire energy. What is it that we need to know? Or a millionaire could possibly be. Yo, look what just flipped out. Clarify this millionaire. What do we need to know in regards to millionaire, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What's going on with this millionaire? One more for millionaire. All right, at the bottom of the deck, I am definitely seeing karmic ties, y'all. I have to be honest, I'm definitely seeing karmic ties here, especially when it comes to this millionaire energy. All right, this millionaire could be a karmic, or like I said, they have some sort of karmic ties. You could possibly have some sort of karmic ties, place it whatever way it needs to be placed. It become karmic when it's in imbalance, is what I'm seeing here. First card that I'm seeing here is some sort of pregnancy, possibly a DNA test need to be done. I'm seeing like maybe somebody may have lied about someone being a child mother, child father, or something like that. I'm definitely seeing that there was some sort of illusions, or there is an illusion out here. I'm seeing a trickster, some sort of fairy tale or something like that. And I'm seeing someone that's very reckless in love and sex type of energy is what I'm seeing here. Whoever you are you could be married to this millionaire, or this millionaire could be married to you, or this millionaire could be married to someone else, and they could just simply be being reckless with you. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of karmic ties being here. Let's go ahead and get into it. What do you mind clarifying pregnancy? So it looked like there was possibly some sort of tarot reading. Hmm. And like with this pregnancy energy, it came out as some sort of fortune telling. Somebody got some sort of tarot reading, especially when it comes to this pregnancy or some sort of news regarding a pregnancy. Clarify this fairy tale energy. Clarifying this fairy tale energy is an energy of commitment. Number 34 could be significant, trading some sort of binding contract. Someone created or tried to create some sort of binding contract is what I'm showing here by selling some sort, being phony, being a trickster, causing some sort of illusion, selling some sort of fairy tale. Would you mind clarifying reckless love or sex? Love and sex. Clarify this reckless energy, love and sex. I'm seeing an energy of fury here. There's an energy of someone being very angry. There's an energy of taking offense, a pleasant, unpleasant energy or something like that at the bottom of the deck. I'm seeing an energy of a gift. Someone giving a gift or something like that. I don't know. Number 74 can be significant. Number 36 could be significant as well. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of gift. All right. Let me go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. Yeah, jackass energy is out here. Okay, I'm definitely seeing a fight behind married. There's a fight, and I'm seeing millionaire energy. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify a little bit further in regards to this married millionaire energy. Married millionaire. Married millionaire. What do you mind clarifying married millionaire? This married millionaire energy. I'm seeing a breakup. Three of Swords out here. Look like there's an energy of some sort of severance of ties. Uh, with whoever this person is, I'm seeing that there is definitely an energy of heartbreak. We have the star energy out here where someone is very spiritual, and I'm seeing there is some sort of renewal here. Okay, there's definitely talking about some sort of renewal here. Okay, I'm seeing there's star energy, star seed. I'm seeing a new beginning. There's energy of freedom here with the Fool card. I'm seeing that there was some sort of lack of commitment here. Maybe you were committed to this person, they want you to commit to them, but there was going to be a lack of commitment with you, especially when it comes to this new beginning. Whew. Clarify this millionaire energy. I'm seeing that there is a death and a rebirth. Okay, something coming to an end. I'm seeing a spiritual transformation. Letting go, ending things. It look like there's some sort of transition, and it looks like somebody's taking action. I don't know if there's energy of communication. Yep, there might be some sort of apology here with the Page of Cups. There's an energy of some sort of apology here. I'm seeing someone maybe younger. I don't want to say childish. Maybe somebody may be a little bit younger or something like that. A little bit, because with this Page of Cups, it speaks like having some sort of immaturity, a young individual or something like that, having some sort of youth. Or you could have some sort of youthful look or something like that. What's going on with this millionaire energy? What's going on? I'm seeing there's an energy of insecurity here, having some sort of instability. Okay. There's energy of, again, there's an energy of somebody feeling insecure. Wait a minute. Feeling insecure and neglect their responsibilities. What's going on with this millionaire energy? And it looks like this is coupled here with an emperor energy. Like an older masculine, a father figure, a husband, or something like that. All right. Clarify this millionaire. Yeah, it's almost like an energy of somebody self-sabotaged. There was some sort of self-sabotaging energy, some sort of underhanded behavior. Clarifying this Queen of Pentacles in reverse is the King of Pentacles in the upright. There's a mature masculine, successful, wealthy businessman here. Someone that is not a risk taker is what I'm seeing here. Okay. Yeah, clarifying this Queen of Pentacles in reverse is the King of Pentacles in the upright. What's going on with this millionaire? What else we need to know? There's energy of security, and I see that there's a family or some sort of Ten of Cups out here, possibly married, some sort of long-term relationship. I'm seeing an energy of stability, security, and harmony. Okay. I'm seeing an energy of strength. Having to have someone that is very possibly have some sort of inner strength, very powerful, very strong. Someone that overcomes a lot of obstacles. Is what I'm seeing here. Look like there's an energy of someone receiving some sort of news with a Page of Wands. This person could be reaching out to you guys, text message, DM, or something like that with this Page of Wands energy out here. I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of communication. Okay. Now with this Page of Wands, it also talks about some sort of good news. And I see the Ace of Cups out here where there is someone extending some sort of offer. It looks like there is some sort of new beginning with this Ace of Cups. Okay, so it looked like it started off with some sort of breakup, but then it's like it's leading towards some sort of new beginning, like somebody is extending some sort of love offer, some sort of romance. Okay. And it talks about a new beginning in romance, a new relationship or something, some sort of happiness. And it looked like someone has a lot of options. Okay. I'm seeing an energy of choosing and having decisions. All right. This could possibly be like a dream come true for somebody or something like that. I'm seeing a Queen of Cups energy out here. There is hidden. With this Queen of Cups, there is some sort of something being hidden here, okay? Or possibly there is some sort of illusion here with the Queen of Cups energy, strong Cancer energy, or it could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed, but I'm definitely seeing some sort of moon energy out here. What's going on with this millionaire? Yeah, I'm seeing like there is some sort of indecision, Two of Swords. Possibly feeling like they are stuck in some sort of stressful situation, being torn between possibly two relationships. There's an energy of divided loyalty here. Clarify this millionaire energy. But I'm definitely seeing that there is an energy of happiness. I'm seeing good feedback. I'm seeing an energy of positivity. All right. Especially when it comes to some sort of new beginning with the Sun card. All right. I'm seeing someone having to make a major choice, especially when it comes to a relationship or some sort of connection, some sort of partnership or something like that. And I'm seeing this magician energy out here. I don't know. There's the energy of someone that may be uh, utilizing magic or manifestation or something like that, trying to um, bend some sort of will to in their favor. Is what I'm seeing here. All right. And it's like there's an energy of you like having power, right? Or wanting power. There's an energy of control here. I see you guys giving and receiving. There's energy of you being valued, all right, or assisted in some form of fashion. But I'm also seeing an energy of being betrayed. Okay, so definitely be careful with that. I'm definitely seeing an energy of betrayal. I am definitely seeing an energy out here of someone that is an enemy of yours, bad mouthing, a bitter type of energy because of you meeting someone of this stature is what I'm seeing here. I see that there is an energy of patience with you guys as well. You could possibly be building some sort of business or something. Um, there's an energy of you guys having some sort of expertise or a master at some sort of expertise. I see you working hard, and I'm seeing an energy of success here for you guys as well. All right. But I'm seeing conflict just as you're receiving assistance. I'm seeing donations, money, kindness, people being generous, and things like that. And like it causes some sort of conflict. Okay. Yeah, there's an enemy, I said enemy. I wanted to say there's like an energy of like conflict here, disagreements, arguments, quarrels, there is an energy of temperatures rising and clashing and things like that, like people feeling some type of way. And I see it creates some sort of anxiety. All right. It's almost like an energy of people wanting you to be stuck. Is what I'm showing here. It says stuck at a dead end job. It's like people want you to struggle. They want you to make bad decisions. They want you to be in this energy of depression. I'm seeing, or you could possibly be going through some sort of depression due to some sort of disillusionment, something being hidden that revealed, or able to see people exactly for who they are, and it look like it is causing some sort of conflict. It looks like you guys are coming out as the wounded warriors as well. Very protective with your energy. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. And you learning some sort of lesson or had to learn some sort of lesson. I am seeing with I see a Queen of Wands out here, so a Queen of Wands could definitely be significant to a lesson that you had to learn, is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing that this Queen of Wands could be someone that is possibly someone that is very competitive as well, very attractive, mature. Okay. Anything else regarding this millionaire energy? All right, I'm seeing an energy of you having to be patient because with this Knight of Pentacle, it speaks of things moving slow. Okay, but I am definitely seeing a unexpected source of income, money, things like that coming towards you guys. But you have to be patient. That's what I'm seeing here, because it's coming out as an energy of someone who perseveres or reaches some sort of goal. All right, and you coming out as the high priestess. You already know this. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. I see your spirit guides here. I see a lot of things that were hidden that has been revealed or being revealed to you. I have the Most High here with you, so it lets me know that you guys are definitely some sort of prophetess, a prophetess or a prophet type of energy. All right, there's energy you possibly feeling overwhelmed and stressed out, or stressed, overwhelmed. I'm saying mentally overloaded, a lot on your mind, possibly due to in regards to your independence, okay, and your finances. I am seeing you in the Nine of Pentacles, so it definitely speaks of you having success, okay, financial stability and security as well as profit. All right, but it looks like it comes in Tower unexpectedly is what I'm seeing here. It looks like it comes in at divine time, and all of this comes in divine timing for what I'm seeing here. All right, I'm seeing that there's a devil energy out here as well. I don't know if there's some sort of addiction or something, some sort of yeah, I'm seeing a addiction, some sort of depression or something going on out here. You having to make a choice or decision, especially in regards to leaving someone or something behind. All right, with this Two of Wands. All right, especially if you are pursuing to move forward to have this energy of richness. Is what I'm seeing here. Okay. Yeah, because it's almost like an energy of somebody or something wants to hold on to, and it wants to um, keep you in some sort of bind or something like that. Bondage is definitely significant. And I see that there is a temperance angel where there's energy of having patience or requiring some sort of patience as things balance out, is what I'm seeing here. Learning to have some sort of inner calm and not let anyone or anything control your emotions, which could be tied to a fire sign. Strong Aries could be significant. I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone spying. Okay, they are watching. All right. Anything else we need to know in regards to this millionaire energy? Okay. Yep. Someone is feeling restricted. There's energy of feeling stuck. There's energy of possibly experiencing some sort of isolation. Okay. Especially when it's like they feel trapped or stuck, especially when it comes to a connection or some sort of reunion. And it looks like there's an energy of someone that may have air in their chart that is gossiping. Okay, I'm saying lies, lies. There's an energy, I'm sorry, bias, misery type of energy. This is an energy of someone that puts people down and they can't be trusted. All right. Very malicious type of energy, air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could be significant. And I see that you do have a romantic proposal approaching you. There's an energy of someone following their heart. And I see the Six of Wands out here where there's an energy of you winning or having some sort of advantage. Yeah, especially when it comes to a partnership or some sort of union here with the Two of Cups. Okay. More water energy. And it looks like somebody's in regret. I see you refusing their offer and it being a missed opportunity. I'm seeing, yeah, this person possibly was self-absorbed. This is energy is coming off very nostalgic, okay? Weary, causing a lot of frustration, and you choosing your happiness with the Nine of Cups, which is your wishes coming true, and you realizing them, your dreams and your wishes coming true, and seeking fulfillment, joy, and positivity and satisfaction. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle, you guys, with the World card, and I'm seeing celebration. Yeah, there's definitely a celebration here. I'm seeing that there is a wedding, engagement, possibly a paternity, not a paternity party, but yeah, like a um, what is when you have a child? Baby shower or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing the energy of festivities coming together and joy, happiness, and things like that. But you got somebody that is selfish here, very devious, that's watching, very malice, that's been left out in the cold, that is experiencing some sort of loss, some sort of hardship, bad luck, or homelessness. They're in the Nine of Swords. I'm seeing an energy of a lot of regret, remorse, anxiety, and them focusing on the past and people talking about them. It seems like this person is overwhelmed or at some sort of breaking point because of their deceit, lies, trickery, and cheating. This person may have even stole, very dishonest, risky behavior. This is someone that, masquerades around as if they like your friend and smile in your face and you're cool. But actually, this person is an enemy and they be spying and watching. They can't be trusted from what I'm seeing here. They're carrying a whole lot of burdens. That's what I'm saying.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.